when you get an inspection, you get to know the place, you get to know all the ins and outs. You definitely want to get an inspection because you don't know what hidden issues could be, something that the untrained eye just wouldn't see. And that's what home inspectors are trained for, to find those issues. Definitely don't want to make one of the biggest investments in your life uh, without knowing what hidden skeletons might be in the closet. Um, yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of inspectors out there that have, nightmare stories about what they've seen. Um, I can tell you one home that I was just speaking with a fellow inspector. Um, I went into the home. It was a home on the bay, nice wraparound deck. Everything looked good. A couple little issues with the deck, but when I went inside, I saw that the deck was actually pulling the whole foundation into the bay. So because of reasons like that, you definitely want to get a home inspection.